But we just made it to the waterfall. It is so pretty.
The dearest things that I know.
So today we're headed to the fall. It's been really good weather out here.
Yeah, traffic wasn't really bad. The roads are generally pretty open and clear. Like, we saw some of the most beautiful things along the way. Like, these are one of the bike rides I actually enjoy. So.
Yeah.
The dearest things that I know are what you are. The tremble, the tremble, the tremble, the tremble, the tremble.
So we decided to stop on the side of the road just for a quick break. We've been driving for 45 minutes now and our butts hurt so bad. But Kevin decided to fly his drone because the view to this waterfall is so gorgeous. Like what this looks like when I put the B-roll in, but the water is perfectly clear. It's so beautiful, and you can actually just pull your bike over to the side of the road and go snorkeling if you want. And I'm gonna show you the drone footage we got because we were just like amazed with everything we saw. How did he say it?
I don't know. I don't want to mess up the name.
I'll put it down here. But we just made it to the waterfall. It is so pretty.
The road wasn't bad at all. I think Nusa Penida has been the worst so far, so we're good, you know.
The water's like crystal clear, and a guy kind of helped us up the mountain. We didn't really need help, but I still tipped him like $1. He wanted to be our guide, but no, because if you do get a guide, they will expect to be paid. So it's just best to kind of do it yourself because it's kind of straightforward. There's a clear path, it's concrete, and you just walk around yourself. This waterfall is 4 levels of crystal clear blue water. You have to come here. The entrance fee is 100 pesos for 2, and you can opt to get a life jacket included with that or not. I don't recommend getting a guide because the path is pretty straightforward. There's steps. It's mostly concrete, so it's really easy. But the water is so blue, super beautiful. This is not a waterfall that you want to miss in Cebu.